The Li Auto L9, a flagship SUV from China's Li Auto, has attracted significant attention for its outstanding safety features. This video will provide an in-depth look at the L9's performance in various crash tests, its structural integrity, and the advanced safety technology that sets it apart in the automotive industry. The Li Auto L9 achieved a 5-star rating in the China New Car Assessment Program (C-NCAP) crash test, scoring an impressive 91.3% overall. The vehicle performed exceptionally well in the side column crash test, earning a perfect 16 out of 16 points. It also excelled in the frontal full width and mobile deformable barrier tests, with scores of 22.8 out of 24 and 20.9 out of 24 respectively. These results highlight the L9's robust structural design and its ability to protect occupants in various collision scenarios. Further emphasizing its strength, the Li Auto L9 underwent the Super Crash test, conducted by the China Automotive Engineering Research Institute, CAERI. This extreme test simulated a scenario where the L9 was squeezed between an 8-ton truck from behind and a 30-ton heavy-duty truck in front. Remarkably, the A, B, and C pillars of the L9 remained nearly intact, and the passenger cabin maintained its structural integrity, showcasing the vehicle's exceptional crashworthiness. This test serves as proof of the L9's advanced structural strength and passenger protection capabilities. The L9 is equipped with Li Auto's innovative design, including a body structure composed of more than 75% high-strength steel, with 28.9% of it being hot-formed steel. Key structural elements such as the A, B, and C pillars, sills, and door impact beams are made of high-strength, hot-formed steel to ensure maximum protection during a collision. This engineering design ensures that the vehicle performs excellently in crash scenarios while maintaining the integrity of the passenger cabin. For additional safety, the L9 comes standard with 9 airbags, including side airbags for the second row and side curtain airbags for all 3 rows of seats. This comprehensive airbag system provides complete protection for all occupants in the event of a crash. Beyond its robust physical design, the L9 is equipped with the LI-AD Max driver assistance system. This system includes a suite of sensors, such as a 128-line LiDAR, 6 8-megapixel cameras, 5 2-megapixel cameras, a millimeter wave radar, and 12 ultrasonic sensors. These sensors work together to provide 360-degree environmental awareness, significantly enhancing safety by assisting in collision avoidance and improving driver decision-making. The vehicle also boasts an intelligent cockpit with a 5-screen, 3D interactive system, enhancing driver control and situational awareness. The L9's combination of physical safety features and cutting-edge technology helps ensure a secure driving experience for all passengers. In summary, the Li Auto L9 sets a new benchmark for safety in the automotive industry. Its remarkable performance in crash tests and the incorporation of advanced safety technologies make it a standout option for anyone prioritizing both safety and luxury in their vehicle. The L9's impressive structural integrity, coupled with its intelligent safety systems, positions it as a leader in the SUV segment and a game-changer in automotive design. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth automotive content. We've got plenty more exciting car tech, crash tests, and industry insights coming your way. Stay tuned and ride safe with Valievs.